What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to continue with some of the examples regarding higher roots and how to simplify expressions that contain radicals with higher roots. The first example I want to show you is 4th root of 64 times q to the power of 10. How do we simplify it? Answer is 64 basically is 2 to the power of 6, and we have q to the power of 10. Then we can say 2 to the power of 6, which will be 2 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 2. Q to the power of 10 is q to the power of 8 times q squared. Because we need to take the exponents out that are multiples of 4. Then we can separate them. We have 2 to the power of 4 and q to the power of 8 multiplied by 4th root of 2 to the power of 2 times q to the power of 2, which makes it 2q squared 4th root of 4q squared. Next example is cube root of 128 m to the power of 11. Answer is 128 is 2 to the power of 7 m to the power of 11. Then we can say 2 to the power of 6 times 2. M to the power of 11 is m to the power of 9 times m squared. So that makes it cube root of 2 to the power of 6 m to the power of 9. Then cube root of 2m squared. Then if we simplify the first part, we have 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2, which is 2 squared or 4. And here we have m to the power of 9 over 3. We have m cubed times 3rd root of 2m squared. Next example, we have 4th root of 162 n to the power of 7. Answer is 162 is 81 times 2, or 3 cubed times 2 times n to the power of 7, which will be 3 to the power of 4, 2 n to the power of 4 times n cubed. Then we can keep this together. We have 3 to the power of 4, n to the power of 4, 4th root of 2n cubed. Then we can simplify this part. Will be 3n 4th root of 2n to the power of 3. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding square roots and other topics in math and science. Thank you and have a great day.